Clover, I have a surprise outside to show you. What do you think the surprise is? You want to see what the surprise is? Yeah. What's the surprise? Snow! Lots and lots and lots of snow! Do you think it looks pretty? Oh, look, there's snow getting on your toes. Put your hand out and feel it. What does it feel like?
Oh!
It's getting on the sidewalk. That's okay, it's getting on the sidewalk. You can kind of see our cars still. This is all since 8 a.m. this morning.
Ow!
What do you see, girl?
Get the door!
It is getting on the door. I'm pretty sure there's going to be snow everywhere. Do you think you want to play with the snow when Daddy gets home?
Yeah.
I bet we can talk Daddy and take you outside. Do you want to put your hand out and feel it? What's it feel like?
Let's get the rug!
It is getting on the rug. The rug will be okay. All right, say hello, snow. Oh, there's a bunch came in. Say bye-bye, snow.